Hello and welcome back to Tricky Track Spoken English. My name is R.D. Mehra. Today's topic is 50 common questions and answers in English. Are you ready? Let's get started.
वीडियो को शुरू से लेकर अंत तक जरूर देखें, क्योंकि इस वीडियो में अंग्रेजों की तरह सवाल पूछे गए हैं और अंग्रेजों की तरह ही लाजवाब जवाब दिए गए हैं।
Do you know Jack?
Yes, I do. He's an excellent colleague.
Do you know something about Sarah?
Yes, I do. Sarah is an excellent employee. Do you want this one?
Yes, that is exactly what I was looking for. Thank you. Lucky?
Yes, I consider myself very fortunate.
Do you have time?
Yes, I do. What can I help you with?
What time is it now?
It's currently 10:05 in the morning.
Do you have work time?
Yes, I do. Thank you.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy today.
That's wonderful.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. I haven't had breakfast.
Is Sarah sad today?
No, she is happy and thriving.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
Do you have money?
Yes, I have money.
Is everything ready?
Yes, everything is ready.
I could tell her about it. What do you think?
I think you absolutely should. Go ahead and tell her everything. You've done excellent work. You're invaluable to the team.
But are you going to leave me alone in this project?
Never. You can count on me. Do you need more time?
No, I have a clear direction now. Thank you. Are you free today?
Yes, I am free today. What's up?
Perfect. I have a meeting I'd like you to attend.
Sounds great. I'm happy to help. What would you like to eat?
I'd like a classic cheeseburger with fries.
What's the most interesting fact you know?
It's about a man who survived being frozen solid for an hour.
Does your family have any traditions?
Yes, every Sunday we have a big brunch with everyone.
What's unique about your hometown?
Well, it's known for its annual Sunflower Festival and the incredible local cuisine.
Who do you most admire?
I most admire my mother for her resilience and strength. What's a small thing that always makes your day better?
A genuine smile from a stranger always makes my day.
That's wonderful. Are you an introvert or extrovert?
Well, I think I'm definitely more on the extrovert side. I thrive in social situations. Where did you meet your best friend?
We met at a coffee shop in Paris.
What was your very first paid job?
My very first paid job was as a lifeguard at a summer camp.
Who is your most memorable mentor?
I'd say the CEO from my first job. She pushed me to take risks and believe in myself.
That sounds like an incredible experience. What is your everyday superpower?
My ability to stay calm under pressure is my superpower.
That's great. Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm definitely a morning person. I'm at my best first thing.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano and guitar.
What's your go-to comfort food?
Pasta Alfredo, always. It's unbeatable. What's the best meal you've ever had?
Oh, definitely the seafood paella I had in Valencia. It was incredible.
Laughs.
What's your signature dish to cook?
My signature dish would have to be a slow-roasted rosemary lamb shank.
Ooh, that sounds delicious. What's your secret ingredient? What's your go-to drink order?
My go-to is an oat milk latte, hot or iced, depending on the season.
Nice choice.
Do you prefer traveling solo or with others?
I prefer traveling solo for the freedom.
How do you maintain work-life balance?
I prioritize time blocking and set strict boundaries between my work hours and personal time.
That's a great approach.
Do you read books?
Yes, I love to read, and I often read several books at once.
What's the last book you read?
That would be The Midnight Library.
What's the most useful app on your phone?
Definitely my calendar app. It keeps everything organized, and I can't imagine my life without it.
What was your favorite subject in school?
History, definitely. Learning about past civilizations always fascinated me.
What's your favorite holiday?
Well, that's a tough one, but I'd have to say Christmas. The lights, the family, it's just got a special kind of magic, doesn't it?
What type of person are you?
I would describe myself as detail-oriented and collaborative.
Are you comfortable with me?
Yes, I am. Thank you for asking.
Could you tell me something about your family?
I have 2 daughters, Sarah and Emily, and a very supportive wife. We love hiking.
Are your wife employed?
Yes, she is.
What's your aim in life?
I want to utilize my skills to make a real impact on people's lives and contribute to meaningful projects.
Welcome! Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.